नोट्स कौन कौन बनाता है? न्यूज़पेपर कौन कौन पढ़ता है अच्छे से?
बहुत अच्छे से, religiously, regularly, diligently, sincerely.
No, by the way, why are you so less confident? If you're reading newspapers good, then why does the hand go down? We have been telling it, again, that newspapers, in fact, current affairs per se is very, very important for this examination. You see, we'll be talking to you about, say, essay, we'll be discussing some of the questions in ethics. But again, when we talk about what is the content, where from will we get the content for writing essays, how do we develop those perspectives, how are we going to make our, writing coherent, where would that coherence come from? All this will, one major portion of it would come from, the current affairs that you follow.
And often I get this question, मैम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में 2 घंटे लगते हैं, 3 घंटे लगते हैं, टाइम कैसे कम करें न्यूज़पेपर का? नहीं कर सकते. 60% of prelims will come from newspaper, 60% of mains will come from newspaper, and interview is newspaper based. सब इतना ज़्यादा percentage is dedicated to newspaper only. How can we reduce time on it? And it takes time, and it takes time for everyone, and you have to give newspaper that much respect. You can't cut down time. तो कभी भी अगर आपको लग रहा हो कि काफ़ी टाइम लग रहा है न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में, तो डोंट फील स्कैर्ड दैट मुझे कुछ और पढ़ना है, बट न्यूज़पेपर इज टेकिंग अप सो मच ऑफ माई टाइम. इट हैज़ टू बी गिवन दैट मच इम्पोर्टेंस.
इनफैक्ट आई थिंक ऐसा होता है ना कि मुझसे भी, हम चंडीगढ़ में थे, when somebody had asked this question, सर मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता हूँ 2 घंटे वेस्ट हो जाता है. एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम, दिस इज द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ योर टाइम. जैसे मैम told you that almost 60% of what you're reading comes from current affairs, and then you're reading newspapers for 2 or 2.5 hours. So 2-2.5 घंटों में that corresponds to somewhere around 50% of what will come in the examination. How come it's a waste of time? Is in fact the most productive part of your time, and take it that way. Okay, if you
understand उसका importance, you won't mind giving it so much time.
And one more thing, कुछ अक्सर ये भी होता है that many a times we come across lot of magazines, lot of monthly supplements etc. Then हमें लगता है कि इनमें सब कुछ है, let's not read the newspapers. Okay, don't do that mistake. Newspaper is the basic thing. It is there. You have to do it. Okay, that is, it does not. There's no alternative to it. Then when those other things, that those monthly supplements, they are a supplement to it. Okay, they are something that complements, something that makes things easier for you, but they are not an alternative to reading newspapers.
So how I used to do current affairs, we read the paper every day, अच्छे से religiously, उसकी पूरी importance समझते हुए, giving it to us, and every day you track the news, and at the month's end when you receive that current affairs booklet, वो तभी याद होगा if you've tracked the news every day, if you've read the paper every day. So some people think that, oh, current affairs booklet मिल गई, why do I even need to read the paper? But you will never be able to memorize what was given in that booklet if you never tracked the news on a daily basis.
Newspaper में, she is absolutely right. Like कोई सा भी event हो, we had GST recently, the bill was passed. It has been in the news for past so many years, 2-3 years. पिछले 1-2 साल में it was like so much in the news कि how उस news से you also get to know how we developed a national consensus on GST. There was actually nobody who would clearly and openly say no, we don't want GST. Be it the opposition parties, be it the parties who are neither in opposition nor in the government, everybody had been on board that we want GST. So now what happens is, when you read newspapers, you read things in a very logical way. Okay, so this thing, as somebody, when it was first time introduced, in the bill was introduced, then there was a discussion some other day, there was some analysis on the bill, so these are the pros, these are the cons. So gradually you get to know about everything that's important regarding that topic. और इससे क्या होता है, जब आप चीज़ें एक logical way में पढ़ते हैं, the synapses in your brain become very strong. So you actually don't have to mug up. You know these things, you understand them. This is in contrast to if you read at the end only, अगर आप महीने के end पे ही खाली देखोगे, then you have to memorize things like you do in history, like you do in any other subject. Okay, but current affairs has to be more of understanding based.
Okay, so how many of you have memorized the UPSC syllabus over here? Who can tell me what is in GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4? So if one thing we really need to memorize for UPSC exam is the syllabus itself. You should be very good with the syllabus, so thorough that it's imprinted in your mind. That if I ask you, अच्छा GS paper 1 के topics बताइए, so you're able to tell me that. And why is it so essential that we memorize the UPSC syllabus for reading the newspaper. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग में आता है, हाउ डू वी रीड द न्यूज़पेपर. मुझे क्या पता क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है न्यूज़पेपर में. वो तभी इंपॉर्टेंट पता चलेगा इफ़ यू आर वेरी वेल वर्स्ड विद द सिलेबस ऑफ यूपीएससी. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर यूपीएससी के वो 5-पेज सिलेबस में क्या क्या मैंशनड है टॉपिक्स, then automatically your mind will filter the information. When you read the paper next day, automatically your mind will say, oh, this topic was mentioned in the syllabus, so it's important for me. This was not, so okay, I can let it go. So UPSC syllabus is one thing which is really required to be memorized for the exam.
Yeah, that's very true. I think we can move on to the essays. Yes. So first we'll try to discuss, something about essays. So first we'll talk about some broad things that you need to keep in mind while writing an essay. What you should be mindful of. Then we may discuss some of the topics, some of the essays with you, which maybe we have written or we would have written had we got the opportunity to do so. Okay. So I think we can go by that format. Is that fine? And we want this to be completely interactive. Okay, हम लोग भी एकदम से कुछ ये नहीं तैयारी करके रट्टा मार के नहीं आए हैं. We just want to make आप भी वैसे सीखो so that it becomes a learning process. Not हम लोग